Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have a head-to-head battle between two fantastic treadmills, the JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 and the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. Get ready to hit the ground running as we compare these two contenders. Let's kick things off with the price.
The JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 comes in at just $249, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to stay fit without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill is priced at $299.
It's a bit pricier, but does it offer enough to justify the extra cost? Let's find out. Now let's dive into the features. Both treadmills boast some impressive technology. The JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 comes with an advanced design that ensures stability even during intense running sessions. Plus, it has a shock absorption system to protect your knees and joints. And the best part? It requires no installation and can be conveniently stored under a bed or against a wall. Talk about space saving. On the other hand, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill comes equipped with a quiet brushless motor, emitting only 40 to 65 decibels of noise. No more disturbing your downstairs or next-door neighbors with your workout sessions. It also features a digital LED console that displays real-time workout progress, including time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate.
And with a spacious running area, you'll have plenty of room to stretch your legs and run freely.
Now let's talk about after-sales service.
The JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 offers a comprehensive after-sales support team that's available within 24 hours to assist you with any questions or concerns.
Plus, they even provide a lifetime warranty.
That's right, a lifetime of worry-free workouts.
On the other hand, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill comes with Cursor Care service, offering 24/7 support and 100% satisfaction guarantee.
And if that's not enough, they back it up with an extended 5-year warranty.
That's some serious peace of mind, my friends. Time to rev things up.
The JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 features a powerful and quiet motor, making your workout experience smooth and uninterrupted. No distractions, just you and your fitness goals.
Meanwhile, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill also boasts a quiet brushless motor with maximum 2.5 HP, ensuring efficient operation without disturbing your surroundings. So whether you're watching your favorite show or jamming to your workout playlist, you can do it all without waking up the whole neighborhood. Both the JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 and the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill offer fantastic features and value for their respective price points. It ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs.
That's it for today's comparison between the JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 and the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill.
We hope this video helped you make a smarter purchasing decision.
Remember, at Buy Smart, we've got your back.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more product comparisons and helpful tips. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.